Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about sound desensitization for puppies, right? Little German Shepherd puppies. What we have is a blink. We're going to pop off rounds as I walk down, and we're going to see all the training that we've done with the puppies as far as sound and stimulation. They've been desensitized to it, so we're going to shut off the round real quick. Brian's going to be recording the puppies. I'll record myself. You ready, Brian?
Yes.
So at second call. So at all right, second call. All right. Did it faze them? Not at all. Were they scared?
I think they were looking for a sound.
They were looking for a sound? All right, so you saw right there that the puppies weren't fazed by the fire, the blink fire. Didn't faze them. They looking for the direction of the sound, but they weren't scared. They didn't go hide. They are 8 weeks old, and this is a lot of, you hear it in the background. You hear the jazz and the classical. That's classical conditioning to the sound and being stimulated. So I'm Rodriguez Carter, Madison Bell. These are Madison Bell puppies. You guys be good.